We swear to fulfill the best of our ability and judgment. We respect the hard-won scientific gains of those scientists, whose steps we try to follow and willingly develop medicines through their experience and knowledge. We remember that there is an art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy and understanding. There are 7.3 billion people on Earth and not a single one of them have not been helped by our medicines. We manufacture medicines covering every aspect of health from neonatal to elderly. We are in an ever-growing world, where we excel. Where we along with the entire pharma community rally against one enemy, disease. We are Medisal Pharma, where we believe in life flows from good practice. Our production facilities can cater to the larger needs of the sector with constant upgradation of our technologies and enhanced state-of-the-art facilities. Medisal Pharma has a zero-defect policy, and has created a quality management system which ensures high-quality products with reduction in risk of products contamination. The facility is fully insulated and free from any causes of contamination, with proper trainings and practices followed by our committed team members. Being a CGMP facility, we strive continuously to determine proper implementation of good manufacturing systems and regulations through continuous training of the factory personnel. Our laboratory setup is equipped with facilities for chemical and instrumental analysis. Capable of undertaking the most comprehensive tests, the laboratory has equipment sourced from internationally renowned suppliers. To build quality through every step of production, there is a separate team for in-process quality assurance, QA, and finished products testing at the end. Our progress has and will never stop, as we believe in attitude and executional excellence. We are a part of A2N Holdings, Abu Dhabi, having solid local foundations laid for future growth, where the ideology is to boost growth of the local ecosystem and provide innovative high-quality products that support families' health and well-beings in the UAE and the world. We promise to serve the human mankind, who desire to enjoy life and art. Respected while we live, and be remembered with affection thereafter. May we always act so as to preserve the finest traditions of our calling and long experience the joy of healing those seek our help. We have always believed in our motto. Life flows from good practice.